Before you choose a crypto trading platform, take a moment to consider these 5 crucial factors. First is security features. This should be your top priority. You want to pick a platform that has strong security features like two-factor authentication, cold storage, and even encryption. Second factor, liquidity and trading volumes. The higher the liquidity, the easier it is to buy and sell your crypto quickly and at the price you want. Third factor, fees and charges. Every platform has its own set of fees for trading, deposits, and withdrawals. You don't want these eating into your profits. Fourth factor to consider is supported coins and trading pairs. If you're someone who loves exploring different altcoins, make sure the platform supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Some platforms only deal with Bitcoin and Ethereum, while others offer hundreds of trading pairs. So know what you're looking for. Fifth factor, user interface. Lastly, how easy it is to use. A platform with smooth user-friendly interface will save you time and hassle. Alright, now that we have covered the top 5 factors you should consider, it's time to dive into some of the most popular crypto trading platforms and break down their pros and cons. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform suits you the best. Alright, let's start with Coinbase, which is often a go-to platform for all beginners. If you're just getting started, you will appreciate its simplicity. Now let's talk about its pros. First is high security. Coinbase is known for its strong security protocols, including insurance coverage for funds held in their online wallets. Second, user-friendly interface. One of the easiest platforms to navigate. You can buy, sell, and store your crypto in just a few clicks. Third is fiat support. It allows you to convert your local currency in crypto, which is perfect for beginners. Now, let's talk about its cons. The first is high fees. Convenience comes at a price. Coinbase charges higher fees than most platforms. Another con is it has limited altcoins. If you're looking to trade beyond the major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Coinbase might not offer you the variety you need. Now let's talk about CoinDCX, a popular option in India that is growing fast globally. First is CoinDCX is known for its low fee structure, which makes it attractive for both beginners and experienced traders. Second is access to vast selection of cryptocurrencies. You will find many altcoins and trading pairs on CoinDCX. Third advantage is easy KYC process. For those residing in India, KYC process is smooth and simple, making the onboarding process really fast. Now let's talk about its cons. First is limited availability in some regions. While CoinDCX is expanding, it's still not accessible in many countries outside of India. Second is less advanced tools for pro traders. If you're an advanced trader looking for extensive analytics or margin trading, CoinDCX may not have the depth of tools you need. Next, moving on to Bybit, a favorite among more experienced traders, especially those who enjoy leverage trading. Now, let's talk about its pros. First is high leverage options. Bybit is well known for its leverage trading, allowing up to 100x leverage on certain assets. Second is zero downtime. Bybit promises zero downtime during high trading volume periods, making it reliable for active traders. Next is advanced trading tools. Bybit offers a robust set of trading tools, including advanced charting features for technical analysis. Now talking about its cons, not beginner friendly. The platform can be overwhelming for beginners with features that cater more to experienced traders. Next is no fiat support. You can't deposit fiat currency directly into Bybit, which means you will need to transfer crypto from another wallet. Let's look at OKX, a platform that's gaining popularity for its wide range of crypto offerings and DeFi integration. Talking about its pros, wide range of crypto assets. OKX supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, giving you a variety of options for trading and investing. DeFi features, the platform integrates decentralized finance, DeFi options like staking and lending, allowing you to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. Next is low fees. OKX offers competitive trading fees, especially if you're trading large volumes. Talking about its cons, less intuitive for beginners. While it's packed with features, OKX can be a bit overwhelming for new users who are just learning the ropes. Next is limited fiat gateways. depositing and withdrawing fiat currency isn't as seamless as other platforms. So you may need to use a separate service to convert fiat to crypto. Finally, let's dive deep into Binance, the largest crypto exchange by trading volume. Binance is often seen as the ultimate platform for both beginners and pros. Now coming to its pros, huge selection of coins. Binance supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, making it ideal for those looking to trade a variety of coins. Second pro is low fees. The fees are some of the lowest in the industry and you can reduce them even further by holding Binance Coin, that is BNB. Next is advanced trading features. Binance has everything from margin trading to futures, staking, and even an NFT marketplace. So whatever you are looking for, Binance probably has it. Binance operates in many countries and is constantly expanding, making it accessible to a broad range of users. Now coming to its cons, Binance has faced regulatory scrutiny in various countries and its availability might be restricted depending on where you live. Next is overwhelming for beginners. The sheer number of features and options can be overwhelming to someone new to crypto. Alright, so we have broken down 5 of the most popular crypto trading platforms, that is Coinbase, CoinDCX, Bybit, OKX and Binance. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so the best choice depends on your specific needs, whether it's security, low fees or advanced trading features. If you're still unsure, I recommend trying out a couple of these platforms with small amounts of crypto. If you're still unsure, I recommend trying out a couple of these platforms with a small amount of crypto, just to get a feel of how they work. You will find referral links for all the platforms in the description below. Let me know in the comments which platform you are considering and if there is another one you want me to review. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more crypto updates.